This video is about a core principle. Real progress comes from the systems that carry ideas into execution. At R.W. Beckom Enterprises, we turn insight, complexity, and strategic intent into infrastructure that can operate in the real world. Ideas don't scale. Most organizations have insight, but lack the infrastructure to execute. The gap is not imagination. The gap is infrastructure. Without a structured operating environment, insight stays trapped. Systems, process, and architecture are what truly scale. This is the breakdown zone. Strategy without systems leads to stalled execution. Tools are disconnected. Data is fragmented, and there is no operational alignment. What looks like inefficiency is often a design flaw underneath. If the operating model is broken, performance will leak. We think differently. At R.W. Beckom, we don't just build tech. We design connected intelligent systems. We look at the full environment, how data moves, how systems interact, and how decisions are supported by infrastructure. We focus on structural coherence. We engineer connection through backend architecture, API ecosystems, and strategic IT frameworks. The point is not just functionality, but interoperability. We create an environment where the system flows instead of fighting itself. We turn complexity into clarity. Organizations are sitting on raw material, signals, ideas, and vision, but it needs to be structured. We move from signals to systems, ideas to interfaces, and vision to infrastructure. This is how complexity becomes operational clarity. Connection is not just technical. It is architectural alignment across people, platforms, and purpose. Real connection is when the human, system, and strategic layers reinforce one another. That is when execution gets clean and momentum becomes sustainable. When systems are aligned, growth is no longer theoretical, it's operational. Execution becomes part of the operating model. This is the difference between talking about scale and being built for it. Progress becomes a function of design. R.W. Beckom Enterprises is veteran-owned, systems-driven, and execution-focused. We bring a grounded, real-world perspective to digital architecture and strategic systems design. We build connected environments that can support real outcomes, local roots, scalable thinking, and durable execution. If your systems are not connected, your strategy is carrying hidden friction that becomes operational drag. We build better architecture, better alignment, and better infrastructure. Let's build something that works, designed to move with clarity and scale with purpose.